Or it's not a minivan, it's something else. Oh, it's 35 here, damn. Oops. No need. 45. Oh, reset the gas meter, bro. There we go. Jesse's Bagels. Ooh, a little bumpy here, huh? Nice. Whoa. Fucking hoops. Hops and hoops. 35 over here. They don't play games. What up, dude? And I like how those two cars are driving next to each other, right? They're just like, no one shall pass. Seven Lakes Drive, next left. All right. Oh boy, all that for nothing. All that for nothing. Being a jerk for no reason. Oh, look at that Benz on the right. That's pretty nice. Reserved for the pastor. Nice. Oh, look at all those bikes over here. Little bike life. Nice. There you go. What's going on? Oh, look at this. Yeah, looks nice. That's like a big Harley event, huh? Most people are having fun, drinking beer. Oh, right, ATM machine. We probably passed like 5 of them just now. See, if we get on this highway, we can be home in like an hour. But we gotta take Lincoln Tunnel, which is lame. light. Good Lord. Oh, snap. Did you see that hottie driving that police truck? Yeah, on the left. It was like state trooper hottie. Green light. Alright, 1 mile, we gotta take a left. Suffern. That sounds familiar. And we got some trains. We got all the things. Oh, look at this. Fink's barbecue and cheesesteaks. Can't go wrong with Fink's barbecue and cheesesteaks. I think here is where we take a left. No, not this one. Next turn. Not this turn. You saw a Wawa? Oh. Alright, we'll stop. Oh, this is the turn we gotta take. There's nobody behind us, so it's alright. Oops. Suffern Village. We got it. Oh, no. Do it. You can go around all of them. You got it. Alright, we're going straight for 4 miles. Look at this little town. I like it. There's like a big building. There's like a 5-story building on the right. Oh, really? We ain't doing nothing wrong, officer. Ladies and gentlemen, we're back in the city. I think my camera is about to die any second. So this is just a little goodbye before we say bye to the camping video. Yeah, we can. Because, you know, if somebody decides to go to a wedding instead of going camping, that's a personal problem. You know?